Hey guys, welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can create dictionaries. But before that, first of all, why do you need dictionaries? So here I have a situation for you. So think like you are working in a department, maybe a products department, where you want to rank the product based on their sales. So maybe what you have come up with these different rankings 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. And then for these different products into two separate lists so that you can easily manage that. But now the problem is that if you want to say what is a ranking for the product G, then you have to search it in here either manually or by using the index. So how you can do that? So for example, first of all, we need to identify the index for the product. So what I'll do is I will say product. I'll first execute that, and then I will say product dot index, and I want the index of the element G or the product G. So the index is 6. Now if I want to identify the rank of product 6, I will pass on this information, and I got to know that the rank is 7, right? This one. Alternatively, what you can do is within the rank you can specify product.index and G. Then also you will get the same results. It's just that this expression we have specified over here. But this is not a very efficient way of basically accessing the data. So to do it in a much better way, what we have got is the dictionaries. So what I'll do is I will call it rank underscore products to create a dictionary, and dictionary always have a surrounding curly braces, and it has a key and value. So key colon value, right? That's kind of a syntax I'm showing you. So key 1 value 1 comma key 2 colon value 2, so on and so forth. You will have a number of multiple values. So in this case our key is this product A 1, so value is 1, product B the value is 2, C the value is 3, right? So we'll specify that. So I will just remove this first of all, and then I will just paste the information for few products. So here I have product A 1 ranking, product B 2 ranking, C, D, E. Similarly we can go ahead for others also, but just for an example I'm showing you little less products. Okay, so here I have the ranked products. So my list is created. What I can do, I can identify the type of rank underscore products, and you will see it is a type of DICT, which is dictionary. Now if I want, I can very easily say rank underscore products, and now I want to search for any products. Let's say for example you have even thousands of products there in the dictionary, then you can very easily get its respective value by specifying the key. So to specify the key, we'll just enter this A and shift enter. It will give me 1. Similarly, if I want, let's say for product E, I will get the ranking. So this is much efficient, clear and a better way of accessing the data. So this does not end here only, because there are n number of usage of your dictionaries within the Python programming. So we will see in future videos about how we are efficiently using the code with the help of dictionaries and getting the good output. But in this video mainly I wanted to show you how you can create and then access the list based on specifying the keys. Before I end, I can also show you a couple of things like rank underscore products. It has some associated methods. So if I press the dot, and you will find a lot of methods like clear, copy, from keys. So one thing I want to show you is keys, so that you can get all the keys. So keys are A, B, C, D. So if I enter, it will give me the dictionary keys. Similarly, if I want, I can get the values as well. So values is 1, 2, 3, 4. For maybe for some of the processing or information need, if you need, you have the option of identifying what are all the keys which are present and what are all the values. Okay, so it is a quiz time, and you need to create a dictionary for the following courses. So this is the course names: Python, R Programming and Julia, and their respective prices. You need to create a dictionary for these following values, which represent the course name and their respective prices. And if you got any question or difficulty in creating the dictionary, just look at my video again, or you can ask me the question in the comments. Hi guys, welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can add new elements to the dictionary. So all the time you have a requirement that you add the new elements to the dictionary, and one of the very easy way to add an element is by manually specifying it. So first of all, let me execute this. And this is if you remember from previous video, this is the dictionary we created. So I'm creating it again here by just copying it from there. And rank underscore products, let's say there is another product after E, there is another product which is F, right? So I'll specify like this, and then I will specify its value. Let's say if it is the 6th rank. So if I press enter, nothing will happen, but a new key F is added over here in this dictionary with the value 6. Similarly, if I have a need rank underscore products, I can simply enter another any element and give the value as 7. So if I want, now I want rank underscore products, I want to see these newly added elements, products. So these are present over here. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and F is here and G is here with respective values, right? After that, I'll just convert into a code. After that, what I want to show you is how you can do this entire operation in just one single line. So for that, what you can do is say rank underscore products and then use the update method. And within the update method, you need to specify the new keys and values and within curly braces. So after G, let's say the value comes H, and this is it, comma, I, and 9. Alright, after that, rank underscore products, I have H and I as well. So you have multiple ways to add the new elements to your existing dictionary and then make it more meaningful with the new and latest data. Okay, quiz time. You need to add new members to dictionary, and the members are SQL and MATLAB, and their respective values are 3000 and 4000. So you need to add these new members by creating an expanded course list using dictionaries. If you find any difficulty, just watch the video again because I've explained all of these steps, or if you still find problems, then write your question in the comments and I will try to respond to you. Hi guys, welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can update the values of a dictionary keys. So for example, when you move on to a next period, there is a greater chance that there is a change in the ranking of the products. So let's see how we can handle that here. So first of all, one of the very first option that we have is by specifying, let's say for product C, our ranking has changed to, let's say, 8, right? So let's go ahead and execute that. Rank underscore products. Alright, so now the rank, as you can see, for product C is changed to 8. Similarly, if you have a need, you can change the rank for any other product. Now let's say you get a combination of products for which you want to change it. Again, if you have seen the previous video, we will going to use the update function, which will help us updating the multiple values. So for example, over here, rank underscore products dot update, within that, within the curly bracket, specify that key, and let's say it is moved to rank 10, and for product B it is moved to 11. Let's go ahead and execute this and say rank underscore products, and now the rank for A is 10, B is 11. For C we have changed it over here 8, D is 4, and E is 5. So this is a very simple and easy and straightforward way by which you can update the values of a dictionary. Okay, quiz time. You need to update the values of dictionary, and the instruction is here. Update the value of Python course to 6000 and R programming course to 5000. If you find any difficulty in updating the values, then just look the video again. Or if you still find any problem, then let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. And now I will meet you in the next topic. Hi there, welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can remove values from a dictionary. So what we have is the rank product. So if I go and execute this is what we have been using. So it's easy for you to understand the basics of dictionary. So here we're going to remove the particular key and value. So to do that, what we do is we use the delete function over here, say rank underscore products, and specify the key which we want to remove. So if I execute this, and now if I want rank underscore products, this is removed. Another thing which I want to show you is to come to a next level, what you can do is you don't really have to specify these parentheses. So if I want, I can do like this and say rank underscore products. So now the B is removed. When we are here in this notation, what I can even do, if I have a requirement that not one element but I have to remove multiple elements, so what I can do is I'll simply copy this, right? So since B we have already removed, I'll go and remove C, comma D. Alright, and I now have only the element 5 there in the dictionary. So this is a quick way I wanted to show you about how you can remove either a single or the multiple elements from your dictionary. Okay, quiz time. Remove key and values, and the instruction is here. Remove the SQL course from the dictionary and then remove the Julia course from the dictionary. If you find it difficult to remove it, then just watch the video again where I have explained this particular topic. Also, if you still find difficulty in removing it, then let me know in the comments. And now I'll meet you in the next topic. Hi there, welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can work with the nested dictionaries. So nested dictionary is the reality, and you will, when you are working in the real-time environment or real-time data sets, you will find the nested dictionaries. So it's important to understand the basics of nested dictionaries, about how you can access the data present in the nested dictionaries. So for that, I will first of all just paste it over here, the nested dictionary which I have created. So as you can see, what it has is the product A and its respective rank and sales value, right? So first thing is the main dictionary, upper dictionary is starting here, and one level down dictionary is starting over here. Even you can have over here after the colon, even if you want further nesting, you can even do that. But for now, let's go with the one level nesting, which is for rank and sales. So for each product, we have rank and sale. So for product B, rank and sale. For product C, rank and sales. And that's how you should read it whenever you have any dictionary. Alright, so let's go ahead and execute that. Now the important point is how I can access the elements of nested dictionary. And before I move ahead, I'll just show you the output, how it looks like. So this is how the output will going to look like for A, rank 1 and sales, for B, rank 2 and sales. Now what I want is rank underscore products. I want to access the rank of element A. So I will say rank products A and its respective rank. So what it will give me, the rank. Similarly, if I want sales, I can get even the sales, right? And this is pretty much true for any other product, like rank underscore product. For C, I want the sales. So this is how a very intuitive interface that access the element, the key that you have and its respective value, which is again a one level down key over here, right? So this is again a key which has a value 1000, but for this key the value is this entire piece, and from that we are accessing the another key which is sales, or one level down key. So this is how you can first of all understand the nested dictionaries and then access its elements out there in the front-end interface. Okay, quiz time. Nested dictionary. Create a nested dictionary, nested courses, where for courses key you should have keys as Python, R, programming and SQL, and for values you should have two values, one is rank, another one is price. So rank is 1 and 5000, so for Python the rank is 1 and the value is 5000. Similarly for R programming the rank is 2 and the value is 5000, and so on and so forth for the third one. So you will, once you are done with this, you also need to get the key and value output for the SQL course. So if you find any difficulty in doing this exercise, then just watch the part where I have explained this topic, how you will going to create it, also how you will going to get a particular key value from the dictionary. But if you still have any question, then let me know in the comments and I will answer you. And now with that, I will meet you in the next topic. Hi there, welcome to the next video. In this video I will show you one quick example about how you can add new data to a dictionary. So we have a nested dictionary that we started working with in the previous video, and what we have is the product, which is dummy product A and its respective rank and sales. Let's say we got a new product and we want to add that. So we have a product until E, and let's say we want to add a new product. So for first of all, what we need is the value of these inner list to assign it to a key. So what I will do is product underscore value is equals to, within this rank is, let's say 7, comma sales is, let's say 500, right? And then what I'll do is I will say rank underscore products, and the new element, which is F, equals to product underscore value. Now once we do that, this is basically the uppermost key, as you can see, and its respective value. So we are providing a proper structure and it should work. So once we do that, now we can see whether it is really added. And if I go down a little bit down there, and after E I have a next ranked product, which is F, and I can change it and specify its value. So this is how you can increase you can add the product value and a new product into a nested list. And since it is a basic one, I am not covering much, but when we are working with the real-time data, what we usually do is loop it through, so that in one of the loops we have the product value, and in another loop I have the product's value, so, or the actual product name. So basically with the help of loop you can automate this entire piece, and maybe in the future videos I will show you with the help of an example about how you can automate this down, so that you don't have to really manually add the products over here one by one. Okay, quiz time. Add a new element in the nested list. In the previously created nested dictionary, you need to add a new course, which is cloud computing, and its rank and price is 4 and 5000 respectively. Once added, view the newly added key and values of nested dictionary. Hi guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can create a dictionary with the help of the lists that you have. So many times it happens that we have the data available in one or multiple different lists, and we want to utilize those lists to create an efficient dictionary so that we can do our slicing and dicing and faster data processing to have the mapping of key and value. So what we're going to do here is based on these two lists, which has products and sales, we are going to create a dictionary, and as we will see how easy it is to create a dictionary. So first of all, let me execute this, and what I'll do is I will simply say product underscore sales. I will open a curly braces and I will specify the key. So products is what? Product, right? Comma, sales is what? Sales. So since products values are stored here, sales values are stored here, and this is how I am basically going and creating the dictionary out of it. So if I want now the product underscore sales, here I have my dictionary indicating the product names, all these different products that I have, and the sales values respective to these different products. Apart from this, another way that you can create, or you must have seen already in my previous videos, the way I have created the product and sales is by using A mapped to 1000, B mapped to 2000, but that requires a little bit of knowledge of loops and some other functions like zip and enumerate. So what I'll do is I will keep it for the later videos and show you that how you can really utilize the loops and these advanced functions to create a proper or dictionary which in a required format. Okay, quiz time. Dictionary from list. First create two lists which are mentioned below, and then create a dictionary from these two lists. If you find any difficulty in creating that, just look the video again, or even after that, if you still are not able to create it, let me know your question in the comments and I will respond to you. Hey guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you a quick trick about how you can create a dictionary from a data frame. So in my previous video I've shown you how you can create a data frame from a dictionary. Now what we are doing is a reverse engineering. We are creating a dictionary with the help of a data frame. So this is a data frame which I have, prod sales df, and what I will do is I will now create prod sales dictionary, and I will take prod underscore sales underscore df dot, and I will use the method which is to underscore dict over here. So this will help me creating a dictionary with the help of a data frame, and as you can see it's very straightforward. It's just that you need to know that such method exists, otherwise you do looping and other things to really convert a data frame into a dictionary. So if I want, I can simply say prod sales dictionary, and here I have my dictionary, the key value pair which I need in a dictionary for the data processing. Okay, quiz time. Dictionary from data frame. Use the code below to create a data frame which is df, and then convert the df into a dictionary. You need to use the concept which I have shown you in this video. So if you find any difficulty in creating that, look the video again, and even after that, if you still have any question or problem, then let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. Hi guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can efficiently access the dictionary data with the help of the get function. And what I meant by efficiently, I'll just show you in a couple of seconds. So what I have over here is one dictionary. If I go and execute this is the dictionary for sales data, some dummy data that I have created for you. Now let's say if I want to access the China as one of the key and its respective value, it will give me the value. Similarly, if I want to access the value of USA, I am specifying the key USA within this dictionary and getting the output. So no issue in that. But what if I'm trying to access something which is not present within this list like Russia, and as you can see, Russia is not present anywhere in the list. So let's see what happens. So as expected, it has given us the error, right? So that's where the get function becomes really handy. So for example, if I try to get the sales for USA, I am using get function and specifying USA as its key, like I was specifying directly over here within the sales and then the key. But when I'm trying to access the key Russia, which is not present within the dictionary, then let's see what it gives. Well, it did not give us any error. However, what we would really expect is some sort of an output. So what we can do is we can use the print statement or a print function to really see what it has returned. So it has returned none because it does not have Russia as a key. Now if we have a need that we don't want to get none but some other default value for all those keys which are not present in the list, then also we can use the another argument. So first argument is the key name, and then the second argument, which is a value we want to get when the key is not present. So it can be 0, it can be any text or any other value which is of your interest, indicating that this particular key is not present. So if I go in and execute, it will return 0. So earlier it has returned none and now it has returned 0. So that is the main benefit of using the get function, that either we can get none or 0 or any other default value for all those keys which are not present. We can put it under some sort of a condition like our if condition, where if we are looping through or if we are testing some sort of a condition, our program will not throw an error, though it will be handled efficiently for processing those keys which are present and showing some sort of a message or anything for those keys which are not present. Okay, quiz time. Efficient data access. From the previously created course list, try to get the course detail for SQL Server courses. Also, if not found, then assign the value 0 instead of no output. If you find any difficulty in doing that, then just look the video again for the specific ask. But even after that, if you have any question, let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. With that, I'll meet you in the new topic. Hi there, welcome to the next video. And in this video, I will show you a couple of different functions like pop item, del, delete, and clear function, and their related actions on the dictionary. So all of these functions helps in one way or another to remove the elements from the dictionary. And I basically want to show you how each function returns the output so that you can use the relevant function as per your needs. Alright, so first of all, what we have is the sales. So let me go ahead and execute that. After that, what I'll do is I will use the del function to delete the, let's say, sales of India. Alright, once I do that, it should work fine, and if I see, I can use it like this. Also, you must be wondering that function should have a parenthesis. So in case if you want to do that, you can even use the parenthesis as well. But now, here when I printed sales, the India has been removed. Similarly, if I want to remove China, and now the parenthesis is on, it should not give us any issue. So Japan 700 and now the India and China both are removed. Okay, the next thing is pop method. So what we will do is we will use the sales.pop, and this time let's remove UK. Alright, so what it gives is basically the output in terms of the value, the UK key and the value it has, but when we print it, it has removed the UK value. So whenever you are using pop method for that particular key, it returns the value but simultaneously remove the key as well, key and value both. Alright, after that what I have is the pop item, which removes any arbitrary value or a key value from the dictionary. Pop item, and I will simply specify the sales. I'm sorry, it does not require any argument because sales is something which we already specified and it's the extension or method. Now if I go in and execute, what it has removed is the Japan 700. Alright, if I see this sales again, I will only have the USA. And finally, I have the method which is clear, right? So clear is something which will remove or which will clear all the values. Right now we have one, but let's say if I go and execute this list again and come back here, and here I'll just show you that now we have all the items again, and let's execute the sales.clear. Now try printing the sales, right? So you get nothing, it's an empty list. So whenever you have a need where you need to remove all the elements at once, use the clear method. Finally, if you want to completely remove the or delete the dictionary object, what you can use again, del, and simply sales. If I try now with sales, I will just come down, sales, it will say that sales is not defined because we have removed the sales. Okay, quiz time. Removing keys and values. From the previously created dictionary from DATAFRAME, you need to remove the values of Tarun and Vikas using the method described in the video. Well, if you find it difficult, then just watch the video again. But if you have any other question or you're still finding it difficult to remove it, then just let me know and I will respond to you. With that, I will meet you in the next topic. Hi guys, welcome to the new video, and in this video I will show you how you can check whether the key is part of the dictionary or not. So it's pretty straightforward, it's just that you need to know the syntax, that's it. So I have this dictionary which I will go and execute, and now what I will do is simply use the print function or statement, and I will say print India in sales, and it returns true. Similarly, if I say print USA in sales, returns true. What if I write print Russia in sales, it returns false. So that's a very quick and easy way to check whether the value is in dictionary or not. So you think about this, that you can specify this statement within the if-else conditional statement, and when you want to process the dictionary data, you want to make sure that this particular key is present in the dictionary, and then you want to process it. So this is how you can check it and use it in your conditional statement for data processing. Okay, quiz time. Check if the key is part of dictionary or not. So first you need to check whether Kotlin is part of the dictionary. Then you need to check Python whether it is a part of dictionary or not. And then finally check for the SQL course, which is part of the dictionary or not, for the course dictionary that you created earlier. If you find any difficulty in finding it, then look the video again and for that specific part. But even after that, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. With that, I'll meet you in the next topic. Hey guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you the from keys method of dictionaries. So what it does is, as it is mentioned here, it creates a dictionary from a given sequence of keys, and the value is optional. Alright, so how we can do that is simply by, first of all, having the list of countries. So I already have one country, which I'll paste it here. Alright, so these are the countries. We have been using this example, the country sales data, and from there I've just picked up the countries information manually, here I am. Okay. After that, what we need to do is country underscore dictionary, and we will use the dict.from keys, and we will specify the keys, which is this. So countries, and if I see country underscore dictionary, so as you can see, we have the keys but no values, since none is given over here for each of these basically each of these dictionary keys. We don't have any value. So how we can assign a value? Well, when you assign a value, whatever value that you assign, it will be assigned to each of the ones. So probably helpful in such scenarios where you need to do some sort of a coding to maybe group of countries. So maybe, for example, you have all these countries which is related to Asia, and to all the keys you want to assign Asia, similarly Europe, similarly Middle East, Africa, and America's continent. So that's just one given scenario where it could be useful. So how to assign a value? Again, it's pretty simple. So maybe our value is high that we want to assign. Maybe these are the countries which are having high sales, and we want to give a coding high. Okay, and once we do that, again I will write country underscore dictionary is equals to dict.from keys. Now along with countries I will pass on the value as well. And if I go and COU, I just missed the and, so I'll be mindful of that while displaying it. So now you will see that the value high is assigned to each and every keys of the dictionary. Now let's see how you can assign a numeric value, and maybe what we'll do is we'll assign a list of values. So I will come here and say value underscore list, and maybe I'm just giving some random values 1 2 3 4 5, not random but sequence of values, but just for this example. So value list is this, and again I will say country underscore dictionary is equals to dict.from keys, and I will say countries comma value underscore list, execute that, and I will say country underscore dictionary. Now as you can see, I have the list of values to each of this key value. The best part is that if I want to do some sort of a list operation, like want to append the value, then I can do that. So how I can do that? Well, simply say value underscore list dot append the list that you created and 6. Now I will let me change it to quote country underscore dictionary, and now I have the 6th value as well. So that's quickly, I just wanted to show you the method of from keys basically, and then just wanted to extend it a little bit about the different types of values that you can assign to that dictionary where you have just the keys but no values. Okay, quiz time. Dictionary only with keys. Based on the below mentioned games, you need to create a dictionary, and the games are hockey, cricket, football, basketball, swimming, and you need to create that, and after that you need to assign a value popular game to all of these keys. If you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. But even after that, if you have any question, let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. With that, I will meet you in the next topic. Hi there, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you how you can sort a dictionary with the help of the sorted method, and then we will look at how we can sort it with the help of by the keys and then by the values. So keys are pretty straightforward, but for values there is some tweak that you need to do. So first of all, let me execute this. Once I execute it, then what I'll do is I will simply say sorted and saves. Once I do that, it will give me all the key values. So China, and then India, and then Japan, UK, and USA. If you will observe, this is sorted in the alphabetical order, right? So by default, this is how you sort the dictionary, or get the sorted dictionary keys. If I want, there is a method which is reverse, or the parameter which is reverse is equals to true, and in this case it is now true in the reversed in the reverse alphabetical order. After that, the main requirement is to have a sorting by the values, or get the values sorted. So for that, what we can do is we can import the operator. This is the one we need to import to get the values into the as part of the by parameter, or the parameter which accepts the value by which you should sort it. So import operator, and I will use sorted, and again I will use sorted into sorted sales, and then I will use the parameter which is key, and that's the key, right? Because it takes values by which you will sort the dictionary. So operator dot item getter and 1. If I execute this, what you will see that I am getting the UK, USA, Japan. So UK value is 900, right? And then USA value is 800, then Japan 700, then China 500. So as you can see, it is now sorted. The keys are now sorted in the descending order, the way we wanted, because mostly we want to sort it by values. Even sometimes we want to sort it by keys as well. So here I have shown you both the ways by which you can sort it. Also, it has the reverse the parameter, and that will reverse the. So now it is in ascending order. So that's how you can sort the keys of your dictionary to get the sorted output. Okay, quiz time. Sorting dictionary. Sort the previously created course dictionary first alphabetically and then by their respective course value. If you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. And even after that, if you still have any question, then let me know in the comments and I will respond to you. Hi there, welcome to the next video. And in this video, I will show you how you can iterate over each of the element within a dictionary, so that if you want to perform some sort of an operation on each of the element, like key, its respective value, then you can do that. So let's follow our standard instruction we have followed so far. So for so we have key and value. So k comma v in sales print k comma v, right? So if you want to guess the output, what it should give, or whether it will give an error. Well, if you have guessed it right, then it will give an error. So first of all, we have not defined the sales, so that's a error which I did not want to show, but here is the error I wanted to show you. Too many values to unpack, expected 2. So what we need to do is, if you remember from one of my previous videos, I have used the items on sales or on any dictionary to get the list of each element as a tuple for dictionary. So if I just do that and try to print it, now it will print the values for me, right? For k comma v in sales.items, just simply pre k and v, because items is getting each of these key and value as a separate item and passing it to each key and value, so that we can print it or process it as per our needs, right? After that, if you want, you can format this. The key value is, and I will simply use what we have used so far, and I will say the value is and I will simply say here. That's what we have used in the list if you have seen my previous video, and let's see what output it will give. So the key is India and the value is, we can say, and the value is 100. So similarly, like we have used in the list, similarly you can use it here in the dictionary if you want to format the output based on your needs. Similarly, if you want to perform any operation like a commission of 10%, if I perform that, I will get my commission amount. So I can say the commission com value is this. So that's about how easily you can iterate over a dictionary, as well as you can format the dictionary output with the help of the for loop. So you can think, if we did not have the for loop, you would have to write this value 5 times. So that's the efficiency you can get while iterating over dictionary or any list. Okay, quiz time. For loop. Using the for loop, you need to print the values as per the below mentioned format for the courses dictionary. And the string that you need to print is, we provide course of, and that should be a course name like Python, SQL or R programming, and the price of the course is, you need to print the respective price using the for loop data processing. If you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. But even after that, if you have any question, then let me know in the comments and I'll respond to you. With that, I will meet you in the next topic. Hey guys, welcome to the next video. And in this video, I will show you one of the topics which probably you would be waiting for, is how to iterate over the different key values of dictionary and then process them, right? Because this is one of the important and regular requirement that we do some sort of processing by iterating through hundreds, thousands of values present within the dictionary. Alright, so for that, what we will use is the for loop, right? So what I'll do is, I'll say for key comma value, right? Because we have one key and one value. For key comma value in sales, because this is what the sales is. So before I execute that, I will execute this first, and so that I have sales dot items and then give a colon. So what it does is basically, it goes into sales dot items, and if you have seen my previous videos where I explained about the items, what it returns is that within the dictionary list it will return the key value pair in the form of a tuple, which we can take then in these two different variables. Alright, so I hope up until here is clear. We are taking the items into key and comma value one by one, and then what I want to do for now is simply print the key comma value. So now I have India 100, China 500, all of those respective values. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do the processing. So my processing is that for, let's say these are the sales values, and for these sales values I want to calculate the 10% commission which needs to be given to the sales rep, right? So this is the kind of demo scenario just to show you how you can process it. So again I will write for key comma value in sales dot items, and after colon I will say print key comma value multiply with 0.10, which is 10%, right? So now you will see that for each of the location now I have processed the commissions values. Similarly, if there is anything else like tax, I can do that. So I have two exercises for you. The first exercise is that you need to write the proper value of this key. So India, and it should say within the for the value it should say in India the commission amount is 10 or maybe $10, right? Similarly, for each of these ones it will loop through. So you need to identify how you will achieve that. I have already shown it in the previous videos about how to manage this kind of situation. And then the next exercise, the second exercise I want you to do is, like I have processed the commission you need to process the text as well, and then you need to print it for each of the key, what is the commission amount and what is the text amount. So that with this exercise you will get pretty much a very good idea about how you can calculate or do the data processing for each of the dictionary items or key value pairs. Okay, quiz time. For loop for processing data. Using for loop, you need to identify the profit per course, which is 30%, and print the profit of each course. If you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. But even after that, if you have some question or some difficulty, then let me know in the comments and I'll respond to you. With that, I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic. Hey guys, welcome to the next video. And in this video, I will show you how you can use the conditional statement like if-else for processing of value. So my requirement is that let's say for USA there is a different requirement for processing the commission, and for rest of the other countries I have a altogether different requirement. So what I can do is I can go down there and say if value equals to USA, then print, and let's say in case of USA we are giving 20% commission, alright, but else for rest of the other countries we want to give key comma value multiplied with 10%. So this basically makes it more interesting, because now you are using the looping, the for loop, and then to process the enhanced data, because every country has a different requirement or different needs in terms of how much commissions, tax and other regulatory thing that they need to process. So this will open up, this if else will open up that door for us about how we can process the different countries' data as per the regulations or requirements of that country. Alright, so once we do that, if I execute this, you will see now for India we have 10, because India is 100, so 10%, China should be 50, USA is 800, and USA is also 80, so there is some issue or mistake. So the mistake I see is over here. I should have said key, right, because USA is key. So let me execute it again, and now USA is coming fine, which is 160. So that's how very easily you can mix both the looping and conditional statement for doing the enhanced data processing on your dictionaries. Okay, quiz time. Using if-else with for loop. Using for loop, you need to identify the profit per course, which is 30%, only for those courses having which is value above 4,000, and the 40% profit on those courses which are below 4,000. After that, you print the value of profit for each of the course that you are having in your dictionary. So if you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. But even after that, if there is any difficulty, then just let me know and I'll respond to you. With that, I'll meet you in the next topic. Hi there, welcome to the next video. And in this video, I will show you the Setdefault method. So what it does is basically set the default value for a key. If it is, let's say, not present here, that it will add it, and add the default value for it. So what I want to do is, first of all, I'll show you let's say for an existing key, if we try to change a value with the help of Setdefault. So maybe in case of Japan, what I can do is I can say try to set the default value. So it will change it only when it is missing, right? So in this case, it should not change. So my key is Japan and my value is 1000, right? But if I say sales, alright, let me that. So Japan is 700, Right, now let's say what we try to do is there is a new key which is a Spain, and right now we don't have a value, so let's give it a default one which is none. So it should ideally create a value which is a Spain or key, and value should be none. So if I go and simply I'll just change the value to Spain. However, it is not really necessary. I'm just showing you, it's just showing you for the Japan sales Spain, and now you'll see that our new value is added, Spain, with a default value which is none. Also, when you try here in this case, I'll again go to Japan, and what I'll do is I will specify Japan, not specify anything. So in that case, what it does is it takes the existing value of Japan and assign it to the object over here. So if I go and execute this and say Japan, it will give me 700, which I can then further use for my any other data processing operation. Okay, quiz time. Set default method. You need to create a new course tableau and set the default value to none into the dictionary, the course dictionary which you have already created. If you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. Otherwise, if you have any other question or complexity that you are facing in doing this, then let me know and I'll respond to you. With that, I'll meet you in the next topic. Hey guys, welcome to the next video. And in this video, I will show you how you can write the Python Dictionary Comprehension. So that's one of the interesting topic, because in our previous video we have seen the for loop and other things, and we saw that how we can iterate over the dictionary with the help of for loop. Now with the help of Python Dictionary Comprehension, you can do all of that processing with a single statement. Alright, so let's see how we can do that. So first of all, let me create one simple list or maybe a dictionary from the list comprehension. So I will write simple underscore dict is equals to, and to create a dictionary we open and close the curly brackets, and then please pay attention to the syntax. So x colon, so here x is key and colon is a notation which you usually see in the dictionary key value pair, and here I am writing again x. It can be y also, but for now I am writing x, and you will see in the output that how it is reflecting to you. So both key and value is same in this case, so x colon x, and then we will write for x in range 1 to 10. So what we are basically saying that this is the key value and this x is in range 1 to 10, and then this x is going back and assigning value to here. Alright, if I execute this simple underscore dictionary, you will see it's a very simple dictionary where 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4. Right? Let's say we want to take a power of each of the value, so maybe 2 to the power 2 is 4, 9, and then 16, 25 and all. Then also very easily you can do that with the help of the expressions that we can specify over here. Right? So what we are making is to the power 2 for each of these value. So if I go and again execute this, so this is 4, this is 9, this is 16, because 4 into 4 is 16, similarly 5 into 5, 25, 36, 49. So this is basically the power of list comprehension, this Python dictionary comprehension, because you can then do all of these different types of processing within the one single line. Now since it is powerful, sometimes it is confusing as well for other developers or maybe the new developers. So use it cautiously, but once you become more and more experienced, you try to use comprehension instead of writing, you know, that structured for loops and everything, because it gives you the power to do pretty much a lot of processing within the one single line. One last thing I will show you is the if statement that we used. So what I will do is even underscore number is equals to x colon x for x in range 1 to 10, right? It's very similar to our first statement where we did not have this power. So now after we have specified it, we can write if x percentage 2 equals to 0. That means if the remainder, when you divide any value, right, by 2, so 1 divided by 2 equals to 0, no, so that value will not be counted. But 2 divided by 2 equals the remainder will be 0, yes, so 2 will come. Similarly 4 will come, 6 will come, 8 will come, because they will not be leaving any remainder, and that will calculate our even value. So if I execute that and even underscore num, if I write it, what you get is the 2, 4, 6 and 8. Okay, quiz time. Dictionary comprehension. You need to create a new dictionary which should have only odd values between 1 and 100, and you need to do that using the comprehension that you have learned in this video. If you find any difficulty, then just watch the video again. But even after that, if you have any question or still finding some difficulty in doing that, then just let me know and I'll respond to you. With that, I will meet you in the next topic. Hey guys, welcome to the next video, and in this video I will show you some little bit of real life example. Like you have India data, India, China, USA, all of that key values that we have been using and their respective sales value. And with the help of list comprehension, the dictionary comprehension, we will create the commissions dictionary out of it, right? So what I'll do is I'll write commissions, open and close curly brackets, and for creation of commission, we need to apply the calculation. In the previous video, I have shown you a basic example of how you apply the calculations within the dictionary comprehensions. So what I'll do is I will write x colon y for x colon comma y in sales, right? So what it is doing, x is key, t is coming here, and y is value is coming here for each of these. Now on y I need to apply the calculation, which is 0.10. so now what it will do, it will take each value within the sales in key and value pair, give the key to x since x is here, give the y value to y over here, and finally the y will be processed with the 10% of commissions. So I go ahead and execute. Alright, too many value to unpack. Let me first of all execute this again, and again execute this. So it is giving us an error, and I just suspected that I have not used the items. So if you remember from my for loop discussion, we need to use the sales.items, otherwise it is returning all the dictionary. So that's why when I saw too many values, just checked this and suspected the function is missing. So items is the one which we need to use. Now it is okay, and I will go and write it. So now I have a new dictionary from the existing dictionary, which is China. Now as part of the exercise, what you can do is first create a separate dictionary which is tax, right? Based on applying the calculation that 2% tax is you need to give on the entire sales amount, as a hypothetical example. And then after you have created a separate one, then create another dictionary which is tax underscore commission, where within the one single statement calculate both the commission as well as tax, and then print it within the dictionary. And this will help you to achieve even the one level above requirement when you have to apply the multiple calculation, and how you will going to use it using created using dictionary comprehension, and then within an output as a new dictionary. Okay, quiz time. Dictionary Comprehension. So we have created the course dictionary earlier. So you need to create a new dictionary out of that, which is the commission dictionary, which should have the commission on all the courses by 30%. And you need to do that using the dictionary comprehension. And if you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. Otherwise, if you find any other problem or any question you have, just let me know and I'll respond to you. With that, I will meet you in the next topic.
Hi there, welcome to the next video. And in this video I will show you how you can use the Lambda on dictionary along with the map function to get all of the list of the keys as well as values. Alright, so what I have over here is the sales dictionary, and as you can see we have country as the key, which is our name of each country, and the value as sale, which indicates the numeric value over here, right? So for each country we have respective sales. That's the, let's say, dictionary we have got from our source. Now what we want is we want to access each of the element of key as well as value. Alright, so what I'll do is country underscore key. So let me first of all re-execute this if I have not already done that. So I'll use map function to map it, and then use lambda x colon x, and then specify the key, which is country, comma sales. Let me execute that and let me access it with the help of the list function. So now what I have is, within a list I have all the elements or all the keys of a dictionary. Similarly, let me get the values as well, and similarly I'll write lambda map lambda x colon x and sale comma sales, right? So now I'm accessing this second basically a value of a dictionary. I go and execute that, and let me write country underscore. So now it will not return. So what I'll do is use the list function to get the output. Now I have the list value. So that's how very easily you can access both the keys as well as elements in the separate list with the help of the map and lambda function to get the desired output. So that's pretty much all, very basic thing I wanted to show you in this video about how you can access each of these values separately and store it in a list.
Okay, quiz time. Dictionary with map and lambda function. You need to create a new dictionary first of all, like it has been given below here. You need to create a courses dictionary or courses underscore new if you don't want to overlap with the earlier created dictionary, and this should be your structure. From this dictionary you need to get all the keys from this, and then after that all the values of the dictionary separately using the map and lambda function, which you have learned in this video. If you find any difficulty in doing that, then just watch the video again. But even after that, if you have any question or complexity, then just let me know and I'll respond to you. With that, I will meet you in the next video.